Wanna know how to fix Mobile Legends stock on loading screen? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply make sure you have the correct data on. If you don't, make sure to swap it, or you can just reset it as well. Now, next thing, you can just simply restart your application or your device itself. Sometimes it could be a faulty software or the app itself. So if it still doesn't work, you can just simply hold up your Mobile Legends application and head towards its app settings. Now, once you're under app settings, on the bottom right side, you can see clear data right here. Just simply select clear data and then select clear cache. And then select OK right here. And once that is done, all of the junk files and unnecessary temporary files will be removed. And your gameplay should be smoother and your loading screen problem will also be fixed. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.